Hello friends, welcome back. Today in the subject of automobile engineering, we will start with the next unit, that is axles, wheels and steering systems. Now let us go through the content of this video. Now in this video, we will discuss what are axles, types of axles, purpose of front axle in an automobile, live front axle and dead axle. Now what is a axle? Basically, if you see the definition, an axle is a central shaft for a rotating wheel or a gear. So it is a central shaft. It is the central shaft for the rotating wheel or the gear. Now on wheeled vehicles, the axle may be fixed on the wheels, rotating with them or fixed with the vehicle. Now this may vary from vehicle to vehicle, with the wheels rotating around the axle. Bearings or bushings are provided at the mounting parts where the axles are supported. So bearings and bushings are provided where the axle is provided. Now what are the types of axles? So types of axles are the front axle, the rear axle, the stub axle. Now again, front axle is divided into two parts: dead front axle, live front axle. Again, rear axle is divided into three parts: full floating axle, semi floating axle, 3/4 floating axle. Whereas stub axle is classified into Elliott, Lemoni, reverse Elliott and reverse Lemoni. Now let us discuss what is a front axle. What is the purpose of the front axle? So the purpose of the front axle is to carry the weight, facilitate steering, absorb the shock. It absorbs the torque applied on it due to the braking of the vehicle. So these are the main purposes of a front axle. Now you can see it is made up of steel drop forging. So the manufacturing method is forging, which contains 0.4% of carbon steel having nickel 1 to 3% nickel steel. Carbon percentage is how much? 0.4% carbon. Now here the front axle, you can see this is the main axle, this is the cross section is I section. Again this is the seat, again knuckle support, this is the knuckle support. Again this is the kingpin axis to attach the stub axle. Now this is the stub axle, you can see stub axle. This is the front axle I section and these two are the stub axles. Here again a little actual views of axles. So this is the main section, this is the steering mechanism, this is the disc of the disc brake. So these are the air pads for air braking, these are the brake liners, this is the stub axle, this is the main I section axle. Here again beam axle, kingpin for mounting of the stub axle and the actual photograph of the stub axle and the I section. Now next is the live front axle. Now what is a live front axle? The live front axle means the front axle transmit power from the gearbox to the wheels. So such axle is called as the live axle. Again I repeat, Live axles are used to transmit power from gearbox to front wheels. Axles that transmit power from gearbox to front wheels. So, live front axle although resemble rear axles, but they are different at the end where wheels are mounted. So, Maruti 800 is an example of live front axle. All the hatchback cars, Maruti Swift, Baleno, i10, Ertiga, all these are the live front axle cars. So, you can see this is the differential, this is the axle, this is the stub axle, steering mechanism, suspension, the disc brake and the wheels. Next is the dead axle. Now, what is a dead axle? Dead axles are those axles which do not rotate. So, the axles which do not rotate are called as the dead axles. These axles have sufficient rigidity and strength to take the weight of the vehicle. So, the function is just to carry the or support the weight of the vehicle. The ends of the front axle are suitably designed to accommodate stub axles. Now, here you can see in this diagram. So, this is the dead axle, this is the suspension part, the wheels, thank you friends, thank you very much.